Today we are making Ankake-Tofu, or tofu in Chinese white sauce. This is such a warm and gentle dish. This is perfect if you have a bad day. Let's do this. Start by cutting the Shungiku into thirds. Now chop the stems of your Shiitake mushrooms. And you're going to cut little crosses into the top. They look great in the pot. Slice half a carrot into thick slices. And we are going to attempt to make flowers. Cut into a pentagon. Cut a little bit down in the center of each edge. And cut diagonally from the corner to the center. Carving as you go to make the petals. Repeat on the other side. Mine looks like a star. So round at the corners. I should practice. Cut off a few slices. Set aside. Chop your tofu into 3 cm chunks. Start by adding water and Dashi Stock. I call this a dashi tea bag, so useful. Once boiled, remove the dashi tea bag and add Mentsuyu. Slowly add all of the top ever. Wait for it. My god. And now the Shungiku, carrots, and a bunch of Shiitake mushrooms. So pretty. On with the lid. And simmer until everything is almost done. Starch time. Add a bunch of water dissolved starch. Then once everything is nice and goopy, ladle up some lovely goopy soup. And you're done. Taste test time. Itadakimasu. Be careful to not put too much water in at the start. I had to use a lot of starch to get it goopy. So don't be like me and simmer in a lot less water. Okay, next time, guys.